Vaglayan 7th Standard A section, Srinivasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Varthanadu. I am create the SB borewell production. The purpose of this mission is to rescue the person who fell into the borewell. Hydraulic system use pressurized fluid to transmit force and power, enabling them to perform work.